Once upon a time, in an eastern city, there lived a brave and creative girl named Pearl. Pearl was known for her vivid imagination and kind heart. One night, as she drifted into a peaceful sleep, she found herself in a magical dream world. In this dream, Pearl discovered a majestic unicorn with a shimmering silver coat and sparkling blue eyes. The unicorn was so beautiful that Pearl couldn't take her eyes off him. Noticing that Pearl was staring at him, the unicorn was surprised.
You can see me?
Sure, you're so beautiful, I can't ignore you.
Pearl replied. The unicorn moved forward Pearl and said,
My name is Stardust. Not many can see me, but only the one has a true and pure heart.
Pearl, wide-eyed and intrigued, couldn't believe her luck. Stardust explained he hailed from a magical kingdom where enchanting creatures like fairies, mermaids, and talking animals lived harmoniously. However, their once happy kingdom had fallen into despair after their beloved princess went missing. Stardust shared a glimmer of hope. He had received a hint from a prophet that the princess had come to the human world.
The prophet said, if I can find Princess's magical diamond in someone's dream, I can find the princess and restore our kingdom. Will you come with me to find our princess?
Stardust explained. With unwavering courage, Pearl agreed to embark on this dreamy quest with Stardust. From that day forward, they traversed through a myriad of dreams, adventures in mystical forests, plunges into the depths of the ocean, and even soaring through the vastness of space. As they journeyed through dreams, Stardust and Pearl encountered warm scenes of families sharing laughter, friends creating memories, and the joy of simple pleasures. Yet, despite the wonders they experienced, the princess remained elusive. The quest took its toll on Pearl's waking life. Her mother, worried about the increasing hours Pearl spent asleep, feared that something might be wrong. Every night, she would sigh and wonder if her daughter was falling ill. At the same time, Pearl was worried by her mother's increasing sighing. One night, Pearl proposed a daring plan.
Stardust, let's enter my mother's dream. Maybe there are clues as to why she has been sighing so much lately.
Upon entering the dream, they were greeted by a breathtaking sight. A fantasy world filled with unicorns, mermaids, and fairies. Stardust, wide-eyed, exclaimed,
The magical kingdom?
Navigating through the dream, they found themselves in a castle where Pearl's mother sat, looking somber next to a baby bed. A little baby, peacefully sleeping, lay in the bed. To their surprise, the baby was Pearl herself.
A floating diamond?
Pearl gasped. There is a floating diamond above baby Pearl. Stardust recognizing it as the symbol of their princess. As they hovered closer, Pearl's mother heard Stardust's exclamation and noticed their presence. Stardust, with a hopeful glint in his eyes, asked carefully,
Are you our princess?
With a mixture of sadness and nostalgia, Pearl's mother confirmed that she was the long-lost princess of the magical kingdom. She explained how she had fallen in love with a man, married him, and given birth to Pearl. Stardust invited Pearl's mother to return to save the magical kingdom. However, she declined, citing the loss of her powers after Pearl's birth. The diamond lost its shimmer, signifying the kingdom's decline. As the truth settled in, Pearl and Stardust felt a wave of sadness. Yet, in a surprising twist, Pearl's mother revealed that her magical powers had been transferred to Pearl when she was born. She could transfer the diamond to Pearl, who in turn could save the magical kingdom. Overjoyed by this revelation, Pearl received the magical diamond from her mother. As she touched it, the diamond and the magical power reunion, and the diamond began to glow with an ethereal light. Stardust's eyes sparkled with hope. With Stardust leading the way, Pearl arrives in the magical kingdom. The radiant power within her was unleashed, restoring the kingdom's brilliance. The fairies danced, the unicorns pranced, and the mermaids sang in jubilation. Having saved the kingdom, Pearl and Stardust became inseparable friends. They continued to visit each other in their dreams, exploring new adventures and creating magical memories. And so, every night, as Pearl drifted into sleep, she entered a world where bravery, friendship, and the power of love triumphed over any darkness.